Do you feel like you don't speak enough Urdu? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम अफ़रा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Afra. Nice to meet you. Welcome to urdupod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In this series, you are going to learn basic Urdu expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Urdu. There are only 2 sentences you need to know. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफ़रा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Afra. Nice to meet you. Start by saying Assalamualaikum. Then say मेरा नाम, then your name, and then say है. Please repeat after me. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम, your name, है. Finally, say आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Together we have Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफ़रा है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Let's take a closer look at the first sentence. First is the phrase Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum in Urdu is equivalent to hello. Next is mera, meaning my. This is a way to refer to yourself which can be used by both men and women. Next we have naam, meaning name. Then you say your name, and finally we have hai. Hai is attached to the end of the sentence and literally means to exist. In the first sentence, we have the construction mera plus naam plus your name plus hai. The structure of simple Urdu sentences is different from English. In Urdu, the word order is subject, object, verb. The second sentence we have is आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई can be used by both men and women. It means nice to meet you. It is used when meeting someone for the first time. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Again, all together it is Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम अफ़रा है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Pakistani people do generally shake hands with people of the same gender and often hug them as well. If you're unsure, just say Assalamualaikum and shake hands with people of the same gender as you. However, in a business situation or with people from the opposite gender, you might refrain from shaking hands. Do you know how we say thank you in Urdu? You will learn how to say this and many other words in the next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. See you then.
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं?
वो ठीक है।
Once more with the English translation.
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं?
How's your mother?
वो ठीक है।
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, How's your mother? That's,
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं?
listen to it again.
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं? तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं?
This Urdu sentence literally means, Your mother how is? But it translates as, How's your mother? In English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
वो
state of well-being.
है।
This Urdu sentence literally means she, state of well-being, is, but it translates as she is state of well-being. For example, she's fine.
वो ठीक है। वो ठीक है।
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
बहुत अच्छा। बहुत अच्छा।
fine,
ठीक। ठीक।
so-so,
ना अच्छा ना बुरा। ना अच्छा ना बुरा।
not good,
ठीक नहीं। ठीक नहीं।
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं? वो बहुत अच्छी है। तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं? वो ना अच्छी ना बुरी है। तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं? वो ठीक नहीं है।
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, How's your mother?
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say, Great?
बहुत अच्छा। बहुत अच्छा।
Say, She's great.
वो बहुत अच्छी है।
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं? वो बहुत अच्छी है।
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
ना अच्छा ना बुरा। ना अच्छा ना बुरा।
Say, she's so-so.
वो ना अच्छी ना बुरी है।
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं? वो ना अच्छी ना बुरी है।
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
ठीक नहीं। ठीक नहीं।
Say, she's not good.
वो ठीक नहीं है।
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
तुम्हारी वालिदा कैसी हैं? वो ठीक नहीं है।
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to another lesson with us at Urdu Top Words. And our today's lesson is how to respond, how are you? By the way, I'm good. Okay, let's get started. आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसी हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसी हैं? How are you? It's a pretty simple question and you can use it in an informal situation, also in a formal situation. और आप and you. और आप and you. So basically this question is an answer but asking a question. So you know what I mean? So if one person asks you, how are you? And then it's your turn to ask. So you just say, and you. So और आप. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you. Now, I would say aapka shukriya in a more formal situation. And in an informal situation, I would just say shukriya. No need to use the word aap or tum, or no need to use any kind of helping verbs like ka or ki. Just shukriya. Thank you. So, there you go. Main theek hoon. I'm fine. Main theek hoon. I'm fine. This expression or this phrase you can use in both formal and informal situations. It's a pretty simple expression, I'm fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. And also, this expression does not have any kind of hierarchy attached to it. What I mean is that if you're talking to an elder person or you're talking to a younger person, you'll reply both of them the same way. I'm fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. मैं बुरी नहीं हूँ. I'm not bad. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. मैं बुरी नहीं हूँ. I'm not bad. Actually, this phrase has, interestingly, two meanings. One is, I'm not bad, as in, how am I? But I'm not bad, like, I'm not a bad person. And in Urdu, we have the same phrase. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. I'm not a bad person. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. I'm not doing bad. So it's more of a translation thing. But in Urdu, you have the same sentence, but the expression on your face is different when you're conveying that expression. I hope you understand it. It's not that confusing. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm fine too. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm fine too. So again, it's kind of an answer to a person already asking you a question or inquiring about your health, and it's just merely a answer to that one. It's pretty simple. I'm fine too. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. I think it's good to know this one. Sometimes you're bored and you just want to be removed out of the spot, so you just say मुझे नींद आ रही है. And again, there is no hierarchy attached to this specific phrase. You can just use it in any kind of situation. But yeah, try to keep your expressions polite. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. Rather than saying मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. So the expression actually makes a hell lot of a difference when you are having a conversation in the Urdu language. मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है. I'm feeling bad. मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है. I'm feeling bad. Now this expression can be used in any situation in terms of anything, may it be food, your shopping experience, or your personal feeling towards another human being. So you just say, I'm feeling bad. For example, let's say I just had a bad curry and I say, मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है. I'm feeling bad. kind of like I'm not feeling good, I'm getting sick. But if I say, मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है, for another person, I'm feeling bad. So you just got to practice it more in order to get the hang of using these expressions. And also they are very commonly used, so you just have to do more practice for these. मैं बेहतरीन हूँ, I'm great. मैं बेहतरीन हूँ, I'm great. बेहतरीन is also a word that describes the word better. I'm doing better. But the way you say it actually makes it I'm great. मैं बेहतरीन हूँ, I'm great. पूछने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for asking. पूछने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for asking. It's, I think, more used when we are talking to our elders or but I mean, you can use it for both formal or informal situations. As the translation says, thank you for asking. So it's polite. It's polite to use such phrases. This is all for our lesson today, guys. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. If you have any questions for me related to the topic or not related to the topic, feel free to comment below. If you need to know more about our Urdu videos or advanced lessons and you want to really get good in the Urdu language, please visit our website www.urdupod101.com. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.